Hi everyone. Welcome once more to Quizzing with the Comedians. This is quarterfinal 3. Our first quarterfinalist is the defending champion in something. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Rohan Joshi.
Woo!
Hello.
Cool. All the best to Rohan.
Thank you.
My next contestant.
It's always so good to see you in Quizmaster mode, man.
I know what you mean. Also, I'm gonna call the next contestant. She is not just a very good friend of mine, but half of our conversations usually are around Bollywood songs, Bollywood movies, and so you mean how obsessed she is with cinema as such. She's a writer, she's a poet, she's an actor, and most recently she also wrote the song that Shah Rukh Khan released in lockdown. So she's closest to Bollywood in this group. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Saini Raj. Our third contestant, and this is actually an all-star kind of a quarterfinal because everyone I'm welcoming, I'm like, oh God, ye log haarne wale. Next contestant. A long time back, I saw an Insta story of this person where she posted a story about this song from the movie Rang. Okay, Rang has a song that is copied. The original song is called Karma Chameleon, and that song is called Coming, 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 Coming. And I was like, yeah, this comedy circuit, there is someone who knows this song. Since that day, I saw her Instagram story. I've always wanted her to be a part of my movies quiz, and the moment has finally come. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the very talented and another Sonali Thakkar.
Hello. Yay.
But yeah, if it was only a 90s Bollywood music quiz tournament, he would have won already. I've never seen Vishwas take more than 3 seconds to guess a song. When he listens to Tongue and he's like, "Tu meri zindagi hai, aashiki nadeem shafaq." I'm like, okay. So on that note, let me welcome my very, very good friend Vishwas Sharma. Okay, cool. All the best to everyone.
Fully ready. Yeah, I knew it.
I will give you 0.5. 0.5 to Saini. Just showing off that she is now very close Shah Rukh Khan's friend nowadays. Okay, we'll start with Rohan with a fairly direct question. Which celebrated British actor was born as Krishna Bhanji Pandit?
Of course, everybody knows it's Kartik Aaryan.
0.5 again.
But as I prefer to call him, Ben Kingsley, aka the Mandarin, aka Gandhi, aka.
Yes, that is correct. Sir Ben Kingsley is
Oh,
correct.
what? I would have never guessed that.
10 points to
Why
Rohan.
have you put us in this?
Saini, this is your direct. In over 60 years of Filmfare Awards history, only 3 people have won both Best Actor and Best Director. Not necessarily in the same year. Okay, just to clarify, they won in different years also. Raj Kapoor and Manoj Kumar were the first 2. Identify the third person who became the part of this elusive club in 2008.
Oh, I have 2 answers. One of them doesn't take awards. It's in 2008. Is it
It's my
Farhan
dharma
Akhtar?
not to react
Oh
to
my god!
your
Oh my god! No. Okay, wait.
No, you already said Farhan Akhtar.
I said Farhan Akhtar, but you
You
said
said
Dharma.
Farhan Akhtar.
That's a clue.
No, I said I don't have to react to people when they
Okay,
think out
Farhan
loud.
Akhtar.
It's not Farhan Akhtar. Going to Sonali.
Oh, it's not a what? Okay. See, Sohail Khan has also directed and acted. मैंने दिल तुझको दिया, but I'm guessing it's not that. So,
But I'm giving you 0.5 for the record for the
Oh.
Sohail Khan.
actor, director. Rohan, you know what the answer? पता है क्या?
हाँ.
Shit. Okay, I give up. I don't know.
Okay, passing to Vishwas.
He'll answer in 3 seconds.
नहीं बहुत इजी होगा अभी नहीं पता पता नहीं राकेश रोशन को कभी बेस्ट एक्टर मिला है कि नहीं राकेश रोशन
No, not Rakesh Roshan. Going to Rohan now.
You know, I feel like while everybody talks about Sohail Khan, not enough people give Arbaz Khan credit for his contribution to our great culture.
0.5.
This is Rohan just pretending like मुझे नहीं पता है, but I know he knows.
Abhishek Kapoor?
Not Abhishek Kapoor. Abhishek Kapoor hasn't won.
Wait, why would he get best actor? Never mind.
Yeah.
Why would he get best
Okay.
actor? Never mind.
I'll make it a 5-point question and start with Sonali once more. Okay, the hint is that although he has won many acting awards in his career here and there, but he has only directed this one movie for which he won Filmfare for Best Director. and that's why he joined this club of people who have won both the awards.
Best director, huh? In 2008. Okay, 2007, Jab We Met and all came out. So it was the year of. It was that Imtiaz Ali year. Wait. 2008. 2010, Om Shanti Om came out. Okay, wait. So this is in the middle.
Wow. So just going to list every movie of 2000.
every movie.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna wing it again and say Sunny Deol.
Not Sunny Deol.
Because-
Going to
that
Sonali now. No, not Apne. Sunny Deol. Going to Sonali.
Man, he's normally known as an actor. Is it Dharmendra for
No, not
Yamla Pagla Divana?
No. That wasn't a Filmfare award worthy.
It wasn't a what? Oh shit.
No, I'm going to Vishwas now for 5 points.
Amir Khan.
Of course, it is Amir Khan. I don't know how much time
Arey!
it took.
Oh,
I
Amir
said
Khan
he
made-
doesn't take awards.
But
so I
he's
thought he...
awarded. No, that
Oh
I
my
mean he.
God.
that's why I
Amir
knew
Khan?
about because Sunny said, "Oh, it's not him." So I was like, "Ha, correct to hai."
God.
What
This
is
is just
Amir
me.
Khan?
This is guys just me being over smart. I should have just said Amir
Guys,
Khan.
Amir Khan award shows भी work from home करता है.
0.5 to Rohan. Amir Khan directed Tare Zameen Par and won the Best Director Filmfare. Yeah, I can't believe that as a group we all said Sohail Khan and Arbaaz Khan, but did not say Amir Khan.
I was even thinking,
Direct will go to Rohan now. The person who has triumphed more times at the Oscars than anyone else in history is X. America's most iconic filmmaker has racked up a whopping 26 Oscars, 4 of which were honorary awards. Also, he holds the record for the most nominations on record, which is 59. Okay, who are we talking about? Essentially,
Walt
the main
Disney.
hint. Yeah, that is correct. Walt Disney, 10 points to Rohan. Walt Disney has the record for
I
most.
like how Rohan doesn't even give you a chance to like rack your brain.
This
He's
one,
like,
this one I knew.
It's
This
good
one
actually.
I
Rohan, you
knew.
should do that.
This
Rohan,
one I knew.
just easier.
He gave the answer before the question was also.
Yeah, most number of Oscars. That's Walt Disney on your screen. 10 points to Rohan. Next, direct to Saini. Okay, I'm talking about a title of a movie. Okay, and there are enough hints. Title of the movie is nonsensical combination of words. That's a hint. Nonsensical combination of words may have come from the vague direction of travel taken by, and that's the protagonist, who is a wronged man on the run. So that's the main guy. Roger Thornhill, that's his character. An actor who is playing Roger Thornhill is Cary Grant. He leaves New York City and ends up in South Dakota on the face of Mount Rushmore. Okay, which movie are we talking about?
It's not coming to me.
Okay, Saini, do you have a guess?
Okay, I'm gonna pass. But
Okay,
I know.
passing to Sonali.
No, I'm passing.
The
Yeah,
only Carrie I know is Carrie Minati. And
Point
I'm
five.
not sure if it's the same Carrie. I know the title of his single, but I don't know the title of his
You
movie.
know, the
0.5
title of his single is also an iconic film.
Yes,
Firoz Khan,
Najane
Sanjay
Koi,
Dutt. And
Najane
Sanjay
Koi.
Dutt's most spectacular 90s mullet ever.
Yeah, of course, both the songs have become iconic, Yalgars.
course.
But anyway,
0.5 to Rohan also for that shirtless Sanjay Dutt reference. Sonali?
Does it have something West in it?
I don't know. I can't say.
Oh.
Just trying to read facial expression. Okay, I'm done. I'm passing.
Okay, passing to Vishwas.
कोई आइडिया नहीं अजब प्रेमी गजब कहानी
Oh, 0.5. Sorry, आवाज ही नहीं आ रही.
I just want to point out that the 0.5 that was given to Vishwas for Ajab Premi Gajab Kahani is the most rating of that ever.
Movie?
Also, the correct answer here is North by Northwest, of course.
Yeah, it is North by Northwest, a classic Alfred Hitchcock, one of the greatest thrillers of all time. And that is why it's considered to be a nonsensical combination. North by Northwest is very weird.
It did have a West in it.
Oh, is
It
this how
did.
Kanye West named his son?
Wow.
0.5 to Sonali once more. And back to Saini. We'll start with Saini. This is a slightly long question, but look at all the unknowns. there are enough hints. Okay, so you have to like correlate nicely. We're talking about a movie called X. Okay, that brought Richard Attenborough out of retirement. Richard Attenborough had retired. He was in sort of a semi-retirement, but in the movie X, he made a comeback. That's the first hint. Now let's get inside the movie. In that movie, he plays the CEO of a company called InGen, and his name is John Hammond. Okay, that's the second hint. He was on a 15-year hiatus from acting. Okay, he hadn't acted since like mid 70s or something. And then Y. Now Y is the director of X. Okay, Y is the one who directed this movie that we're talking about. He approached him कि यार आप please मेरे movie में काम कर लो and ये role आपके लिए मैंने लिखा है बेटा. Now the interesting thing is Attenborough in this semi-retirement phase was directing. He was directing a lot of movies. Most famous, of course, is Gandhi, which he directed. Incidentally, Gandhi beat Y's blockbuster film at Oscar. Okay, at Oscar, a lot of people thought that Y's one of his biggest blockbusters will win a lot of awards, but Gandhi came out of nowhere and won Best Director and Best Picture and defeated Y's famous movie. So Attenborough agreed to do this movie because he said, "ठीक है मैं अपना semi-retirement end कर दूंगा," because he just said Y has this charm of the devil, so you can't say no to Y. Okay. So after all this kahani, you need to tell me which movie and which director.
Wow. You had to give me a math problem.
Okay, so इसको simplify कर देते हैं.
You lost. I lost you at 15-year hiatus. After that, I'm just like, what? X, Y? X
नहीं
and
सिंप्लीफाई
Y?
कर देते हैं. तो रिचर्ड एटनबरो ने एक्टिंग से रिटायरमेंट ले लिया था, बट उन्होंने एक फेमस मूवी में कमबैक मारा.
I love how हिंदी में.
नहीं.
Yeah, वही शब्द है. ये बोलता.
नहीं मैं थोड़ा स्टेप वाइज बोलना चाहिए. जहाँ उसने कमबैक मारा, उस मूवी में उसका क्या रोल था, उसका हिंट दिया हुआ है. उसका हिंट ये है कि इंजन करके एक कंपनी है उस फिल्म में, जिसका सीईओ रिचर्ड एटनबरो ने उसका रोल किया. जॉन हैमंड नाम था मूवी में. ठीक है. इस पूरे 15 साल के रिटायरमेंट के बीच में सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये हुई कि एटनबरो ने गांधी बनाई और गांधी ऑस्कर में बड़े बड़े अवार्ड जीत गई. बेस्ट एक्टर, बेस्ट डायरेक्टर, ये वो बेस्ट डायरेक्टर, बेस्ट फिल्म. बट जिस मूवी को उसने हराया, वो मूवी का डायरेक्टर वही था जिसने इसके कमबैक फिल्म को भी डायरेक्ट किया. तो ये सब हिंट्स के बाद अपने को बताना है कि ये कौन सी मूवी की बात कर रहे हैं और उस मूवी का डायरेक्टर कौन है.
केवी
यार
Rohan
अगर
saying
मैं
something.
दबाऊंगा तो ये मराठी में करेगा.
Okay, can't help but not give 0.5 to Rohan for his SST board preferences.
KV, I want to know this X and Y are names of movies or people.
X
That
is
is
the
how much I
movie.
want this.
X
Y
is the
is
movie.
the-
Y is the person.
Can you
Why
tell
is
me
that-
what year Gandhi came out in?
Gandhi was early 80s. That's what I can tell you.
I will let Vishwas have a go at it. Or Sonali.
Okay, you're passing to Sonali.
So easy. हम साथ साथ हैं. Everybody knows that.
0.5 to Sonali for Rajshri references.
Okay. Man. Okay. I don't know this, but I'm going to try Gandhi. So the director of Gandhi and the director of this Y film is the same director?
No. Gandhi was directed by Richard Attenborough,
Okay.
which is there in the question.
Right. But what did he also direct this other movie?
No. He did not direct.
No idea. I passed. मैं Stardust Awards देखती थी तब.
Okay, passing to Vishwas.
That sounds like a sci-fi film.
Terminator है.
Arm of the devil.
Oh.
Terminator and James Cameron, I assume. No, passing to Rohan.
It is of course Jurassic Park and Steven Spielberg.
That is correct. Full 10 points to Rohan.
Guys,
Full 10
Rohan
points.
has the answer.
Oh my god, I had it in my head as just this thing, but I thought it released in like 90s.
इंजन पे खत्म हो गया ये क्वेश्चन. इंजन पे ये
Yeah,
क्वेश्चन.
that इसीलिए सारे hints important है question में. Next direct is for Saini.
Oh
Saini,
shit.
your direct.
Rohan, please stop getting it. I get the next questions.
Can you connect these
Connect these
actors to a
actors to a
historic figure?
historic figure.
There's Sidney Poitier, Dennis
God.
Hopper.
They all believe in God, and Morgan Freeman played God. And God
They
is
all
historic
believe.
figure.
Okay, passing to Sonali.
Martin Luther King.
Not Martin Luther King. Good guess.
Good
Going
guess.
to Vishwas now.
Malcolm X.
Not Malcolm X. Going to Rohan now.
God?
No, God to Saini said. I'll make it a 5-point question and start with Saini once more.
Pass it on.
Okay, hint is think
For
Africa.
5 points.
Like think Africa. Think the continent of Africa. Don't think US. So don't think Martin Luther King. Don't think Malcolm X. Think of the continent of Africa. Okay. We'll start with Saini whenever she's ready.
I want to say Nelson Mandela.
Full 5 points to Saini. They've
Oh
all
my
played
god!
Nelson Mandela.
Yeah, shit.
Now let's again look at all the hints. For the 25th century of this director's debut movie in 2017. So you can guess when the debut movie was, right?
Okay.
It was in 1992. I'll just hint. I'll just help. 1992, he made his debut movie. In 2017, he was celebrating 25th anniversary of his famous
Okay.
movie.
Okay.
He screened another movie among the things that were screened at the anniversary. He screened another movie in this place in West Hollywood, New Beverly Theatre, thereby legitimizing the plagiarism. For example, like this was the other movie Y was essentially a copy of X. But
Okay.
the director of X only played that movie, and everyone was like, "अरे आप ही play कर रहे हो तो फिर तो ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, सब ठीक है."
Okay.
Now, this is his famous quote about the other movie. This is what he said: "Of the many ripoffs," and when he said of the many ripoffs, he's talking about many ripoffs of X. Okay, I love Hong Kong. Too many ways to be number one. 1997 में हांगकांग में एक मूवी बना था Too Many Ways to Be Number One. वो मेरे को बहुत पसंद है.
Okay.
और ये वाला, this one which I just played,
Okay.
that also I love. You know why I love it? Because best part is you have Indian guys coming to the US and looting a US bank. How cool is that? I was truly honored. So who is X, the director, and what is the movie that he screened? Why?
Is this Dhoom 3?
It's not Dhoom 3.
Why? It's you looting Indian guys in the US, and then didn't DDLJ come in 1992?
No. I'm going to Vishwas now. Vishwas?
मुझे क्वेश्चन क्लियर नहीं है. 4 जवाब देता हूँ, चारों में सब आ जाएगा. क्विंटन टेरेंटिनो, रिजर्वायर डॉग, कांटे, संजय गुप्ता.
Full 10 points to Vishwas.
Damn.
It is next direct to Rohan. Again, slightly long question, but interesting India question. Kanchivaram is a Priyadarshan movie about the pitiable state of silk weavers. Okay, but because of this movie, X got his only Best Actor National Award in 2009. Okay, he had earlier won a Best Supporting Actor National Award for a 1997 Mani Ratnam movie. Now, this is his career in South. In his Hindi film career, amongst his best known roles is a 2011 movie for which he won an IFA for Best Performance in a Negative Role. Which actor are we talking about?
Is it Prakash Raj?
Yeah, beautiful answer. 10 points.
It's
to
Singham.
Rohan.
It's Singham, right? It's gotta be Singham.
It is Singham. Since Rohan got Prakash Raj, I'm going to start with Vishwas now. So it's going to be in the other order now. Vishwas, Sonali, Saini, Rohan, Vishwas, Sonali, Saini, Rohan. ऐसे करके जाएंगे for the next 10-11 questions. Do you guys want a score check at halftime or should we do it at the end?
In the end.
Which 1985 Steven Spielberg film, back to Spielberg now. This is a very interesting record. Okay? He holds the
We
record.
know the scores.
Which holds the record for the most number of Oscar nominations, 11 in all, without winning in a single category.
E.T.
Not E.T. E.T. पिछला वाला था जो गांधी से आ रहा था वो वाला E.T. Going to Sonali now. Sonali?
Is it Schindler's List?
No, Schindler's List also won a lot of Oscars and it came in 91-92. Saini?
I can't think of a single Spielberg film. I'm gonna say Jurassic Park. And
Not Jurassic
just let
Park.
Rohan have it.
Yeah. No. Rohan?
I don't even know if this is correct or not, but is it Amadeus? Was it Amadeus?
No, Amadeus wasn't a Spielberg movie. No, Amadeus wasn't Spielberg. So I'm going to take one more round and we'll start with Vishwas. So hint is Oprah Winfrey, Whoopi Goldberg, etc. It's a race-based movie. And some of the famous stars in that movie are Oprah Winfrey, Whoopi Goldberg.
Indiana Jones.
No, not Indiana Jones. Sonali?
It's a race. Bazigar. No? Oh.
1 point. Today's quiz. This is the first time I'm giving 1 point to someone. Insane.
This is just going to be a guess. The Secretariat?
Not Secretariat. Shiny.
I pass.
Pass. Rohan.
The Color Purple.
The Color Purple is correct. 5 points to Rohan. It is The Color Purple, the famous movie about blacks and race. That is Spielberg, and on your left is Whoopi Goldberg in one of her few acting roles, like famous roles. Okay, since Rohan got it, next direct will be to Vishwas. Said he wanted to make a film on Bihar with the name Bihar for some time, but for various reasons it didn't take off. In 2008, he met Zishan Kadri, who told him about Wai's story. He found it unreal to believe that mafia activity and gang war existed at such high levels. Dishan narrated enough stories, but what really attracted him was not gang war, but the entire story of emergence of mafia. According to him, to tell the story through a few families is what interested him, but also meant a longer reel. And this is his quote. He says, "We all know mafia exists, but what they do, how they operate, why they do, we don't know. And that is something which forms the basis of this film. Who is the director and which is the movie?"
Anurag Kashyap, Gangs of Wasseypur.
Perfect. 10 points to Vishwas. It is Anurag Kashyap and Gangs of Wasseypur. Slightly long, sorry Sonali, but I will explain. So we're talking about someone who went beyond his sketch comedy roots. He was famous for sketch comedy for a long time, and he surprised a lot of people by making his debut feature a horror film. So imagine someone who is famous for sketch comedy made his debut film, and it was a horror film. Okay, there are a few uncomfortable laughs to be found in X. X is the movie, huh? But the bulk of the movie is a descent into madness that proves its main character, Chris. Chris is the name of the character in the movie, and is portrayed by Daniel Kaluuya. Is right to be paranoid. That's the first half of the hint. Second half is a hint about the plot of the movie. Okay, the film follows Chris as he visits his girlfriend Rose, played by Alison Williams, and he goes to her place, and she's white. Okay, by the way, and our protagonist is black. Okay, so he goes to her place, and they have wealthy white parents at home, and then Chris begins to suspect that something's not right. Okay, because they respect him a lot, like they overcompensate for a lot of things. He's like, "Kya ho raha hai?" And spoiler alert, he's super correct because the Armitage family is trying to sell his body to the highest bidder. Okay, so you need to tell me X, which is the movie, and Y is the guy who was famous for sketch comedy, still is famous, and then made this highly acclaimed movie.
So it's a horror movie.
Yeah, in some sense, yeah.
Is it? I've heard about this movie. Is it called white horror?
No, not for white horror. Do you want to take a guess on the on why, like the guy?
And the guy, sketch comedy. What's that Office guy's name? Like that Steve Carell?
Not Steve Carell. Not Steve Carell in white horror. Going to Shiny.
Hi. The film is called Get Out, and the comedian is Egan Peele.
Okay,
Key and Peele wala one of them.
ठीक है, that's enough.
Yeah?
I just wanted to, 10 points to Shiny.
And Get
The guy is called Jordan Peele, and the movie is called Get Out. Beautiful answer.
Shit, okay.
Beautiful answer. This is for Rohan. Identify the Rangoon-born Indian film actress on whom these iconic songs have been picturized. Okay, and these are the 5 iconic songs. Tell me the.
Oh my God!
This is Helen.
Yeah, Helen. This quiz has come full circle. We started with Arbaz Khan and Sohail Khan, and finally moved to Helen. We are traversing the entire. Next question directly to this Vishwas is direct. Which actor's 1975 victory in Mr. Olympia, a professional men's bodybuilding contest, was the subject of the documentary Pumping Iron? Enough hints on
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Arnold Schwarzenegger is correct. 10 points to Vishwas. Who else but the legend of Arnold Schwarzenegger?
Arnold.
Next question, direct to Sonali. This is again slightly longish question, but identify this 2017 movie. Okay, this movie came in 2017, and this is the plot of the movie. It's the summer of 1983. The precocious 17-year-old Elio Perlman is spending the days with his family at their 17th century villa in Italy. He soon meets Olive, a handsome doctoral student who is working as an intern for his father, for Elio's father. Amid the sun-drenched splendor of their surroundings, Elio and Oliver discover the heady beauty of awakening desire over the course of a summer that will alter their lives forever. Okay, which very critically acclaimed, awarded 2017 movie are we talking about?
Ooh, 2017. Okay, what was happening in 2017? I have no idea.
People were
what-
going outside. Also, you know that 2017, people used to go outside. We used to do these things face to face.
Yeah, that's true. I have no idea what this movie is. So has this won any Oscars or anything? You can't give that hint, can you?
Yeah, no, can't.
I don't know. Pass.
Okay, passing to Saini.
Call Me By Your Name.
Beautiful answer. It is 10 points to Call Me By Your Name is correct. Okay, this is a Bollywood question. Okay. The grand muhurat of a movie called Raftar was held just before Kartoosh, a 1999 movie, was to be released. Okay. The film's cast at that point was Akshay Kumar, Sanjay Dutt, Paresh Rawal, and Karishma Kapoor. Dutt had to leave the film because he had to attend the court proceedings regularly, and he had this condition that he could only shoot in night. So he eventually left the movie. Karishma Kapoor also left the movie for personal reasons. The film eventually released next year, 2000, with a different name. So it was not called Raftar anymore. And it then turned out to be one of the most iconic Hindi movies of all time. Okay, which film are we talking about?
My direct?
Yeah, this is your direct.
Hera Fairy.
Hera Fairy is correct, 10 points to Rohan. Hera Fairy was initially called Raftar.
Rohan, did you do Akshay Kumar, Paresh Rawal? So Sunil Shetty must have replaced Sanjay Dutt.
Yeah,
Did
yeah.
you know the
Of
answer?
course.
Okay,
Of course.
cool.
Sunil Shetty replaced Sanjay Dutt and Tabu replaced Karishma Kapoor.
Yeah, that makes sense why Tabu's doing songs like Papa Point. Like,
1 point to Sonali for casting references. This is Vishwas. Vishwas, the X effect may or may not be real. Around the time the movie was released, Gloucester High School in Massachusetts noticed an increase in teen pregnancies. The school's principal told Time magazine that several young women made a pact to get pregnant and raise their babies together. So the media dubbed it the X effect after a movie's name. So X is a movie name. In 2008, someone called Cecile Richards, who was the president of Planned Parenthood, said that the teen birth rate was increasing because of this movie. Okay. However, since then, teen pregnancies have been on the decline. That's why we are saying X effect may be real, may not be real. What is X? Or identify the movie.
यार ये सुना हुआ है पता नहीं क्यों याद नहीं आ रहा अभी तो.
Who's after Vishwas?
After Vishwas, Sonali.
हाँ साइनी पता है ना मतलब बेसिक ये जिसे आंसर पता नहीं होता ये कभी नहीं पूछता.
I mean, as long as Rohan. Go for it, Vishwas.
Trying.
he answers.
Pass.
Passing to Sonali.
The Juno effect.
That is correct. Juno is correct. 10 points to
Oh, Saini.
Making my debut on the scorecard.
Oh, Saini. Oh.
Yeah, this was Sonali's.
Wow.
Sonali's debut.
Wow, Rohan.
Yeah, this was known as the Kya Kehna effect in India.
Okay.
Yeah, I wanted to say so hard.
Yes.
Sonali will definitely bring Kya Kehna when you turn. I was pretty sure. Okay, guys, it's time for score. We all know
Okay,
the
we all
winner
do
is,
it.
but beautiful quiz. Thank you everyone for joining. I will now share the score. Rohan has 75 plus 4. 4 for the extra points and 75 points he got in terms of quizzing. So he ends up at 79. Saini has 25 plus 0.5. So Saini is on 25.5. Sonali, of course, wins by a very long margin in the second category. She has 6.5. Sonali is the second person after Pavitra Shetty who is destroying in the second category. 10 plus 6.5. Sonali has 16.5. And Vishwas has 0.5 from the other category and 35 from the normal category. So Vishwas
Wow.
gets 35.5. Let me thank once more to the four amazing people. Vishwas, Sonali, Saini, and Rohan.
Yay! Thank you,
KV,
KV.
there wasn't one
That
Shahrukh
was so much
question.
fun. That was so much fun.
There was no Shahrukh question.
There was no one
Okay.
Shahrukh question. That's okay. That's it.
But there was a
Thank you.
Bazigar
Thanks,
answer. There was a Bazigar joke answer.
That's about it.
So,
Yeah.
it was name check.
So guys, I just wanna say हार कर जीतने वाले को बाज़िगर के. Thank you. Bye.
Now go throw
Bye.
Shilpa Shetty off a terrace. Now go throw Shilpa Shetty off a terrace.
Get out and
once.
throw her.
At once.
Cool. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
See you.
Bye.
Thank you.